Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable sub-equalizer for your speaker BOSE S1 Pro Plus. So, at the back side of the speaker we have all controls here. And we need to use a third channel. Firstly, you need to press and hold on it, and you will swap to another menu. And right here on the third line we have sub-equalizer, so you need to just turn this wheel clockwise and you will swap to sub-equalizer, and then you just press at this wheel. Now to turn on it, just press on it and we just activate it, and to turn off it, just turn this wheel clockwise and press then on it. Now, after that, you can turn this wheel counterclockwise and just go back by pressing it, or you can wait about 10 seconds and it will return to default menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!